highlighted. Spirituality is the science of the soul. That is, it crosses the stage of body, mind, intellect, and the soul. Why Indian music is so powerful? Because it reaches the soul. That's why it is, when a musician sings or plays, he will be, without his knowledge, he will be 100% he will be totally involved in the playing or singing. Meditation automatically happens. We need not seek to sit for meditation. It is meditation. When we sing, it is meditation. So when we are at that level, naturally the audience will also be, elevated to that level of consciousness. Music, definitely, it has positive, divine impact on the chakras. There are 6 chakras: Mooladhara chakra, Swadhisthana, Manipura, then Anahata, Vishuddhi, Agna chakra, and Sahasrara. At least we can experience those vibrations in the chakras. So, we are very much blessed. Will you agree with me, sir? Mr. Arun, sir? We are blessed. Please, never at any time, please don't block yourself. Please learn music. It's God really, there is a story I had read in Times of India, Speaking Tree. God became angry and he wanted to destroy the world. So he wanted to have a meeting of individuals with varied disciplines on globe. So he called scientists. He said, what is this? You are spoiling the universe by inventing so many destructive weapons. I want to destroy the world, that Pralaya has to come and a new creation has to take place. They pleaded, they said, no, at the same time we have done so many good things. Why don't you consider it? He was not happy. God was not happy. The Almighty was not happy. He sent them away. He called politicians. How God must have been very upset. So he blasted them and they also requested, no, please don't do it. Then he called doctors, all medical professionals. They also convinced him, we have, invented so many good things. But what is this? So many other things are happening, ill effects of medicines. I'm not happy with this. So like this, he went on calling all people. And musicians went voluntarily to God. God did not call them. Musicians, they just started singing. God became, he was melted. He said, I'll grant some more years for universe. Go. Art is balancing the world. That's what I mean. That story, it was so beautiful. And I really thought, those who know music, those who learn music are blessed. Because even in Garuda Purana, I had heard when my father-in-law died for 10 days, they were studying Garuda Purana. In the end of the Garuda Purana, it's said that God likes who do Namaki Sankirtana for him. We are very close to him. If I sing on Sharade, Sharade will be very happy. If I sing on Lakshmi, she will be happy. Subramanya, so many deities. Otherwise also we can experience the divinity within ourselves, which is the ultimate of fine arts, especially music, because 100% involvement. So it really purifies our feelings, creates positivity. We feel very nice because our self-esteem will be more. So many, positive energy can flow in us, and we can channelize that energy to others. Please, at any cost, please learn music for your own sake. It's very nice, and if you just, the basics of music, Sarigama Padanisa, if you just expand and sing in a very, how much you can expand, how much of volume you can give, that itself, it will make you so nice. You feel that positivity in you, and you feel that courage, self-esteem. Automatically, if you sing openly, with boldness, with lot of volume, it will have positive impact on you. So, I was just telling you about the spirituality. Spirituality is the science of the soul. It is the existence. Right now I am here, and the awareness and the bliss. No inhibitions, no blocks. I am in the ultimate level of joy. That is spirituality. So, all people think that mukti or liberation is given after death. No, we don't know what happens after our death, is it not? At least right now we can experience the liberation through music. Tyagaraja has beautifully stated, friends, I am not telling anything new. All great souls, all divine souls have given this philosophy. Tyagaraja, in a few compositions, I am not going to sing the whole compositions, but I will just highlight. In a composition called Raga Sudharasa, he says like this. Raga Sudharasa Par mujhe se ranjil rave See, he says, O mind, exult by drinking the nectarine of juice of music. In the Anupallavi, he says, Yoga Yoga Tyaga Bhoga Palamu Sange Yoga Yoga Tyaga Bhoga Palamu Sange Yoga Yoga Tyaga Bhoga Palamu Sange Raga Sudharasa. He says, music will bestow on you all the benefits that accrue through Vedic sacrifices, practice of yoga, renunciation and worldly enjoyments. I was working, I was earning, I was working, and I never thought that I would take up music in so much depth. I would have been a deputy commissioner by this time if I were to be in a government job, which I was selected by Public Service Commission. I could not adjust to the bureaucratic setup. I left the job and I was into service, counseling. I took music ultimately, that was my inner passion. I have not even once I have felt, I could not make money as much as if I were to be in a government job. And I got so many good offers to earn, but I had to balance between children and family life and other things. I took music as my profession. Not even once I have repented, because he has stated everything it has given. I need money, money will come. I am not going for concerts, I'm not a regular performer, though I perform. I perform like this for a cause and for a therapeutic purpose or a thematic concert. It has given me enough recognition. I never thought I would come to Denver and do like this. I not even dreamt. And I don't know anybody, first time I am coming to US, and 2 concerts in San Jose were arranged by somebody, whom I didn't even know. Everything I am getting through music. But for me, music is touching my soul. I can experience the divinity within myself through music. That is the ultimate thing. All things have become secondary. And probably most of the musicians here, they will experience, they would have been experiencing this thing, They will feel the ultimate, of course, expertise and vidvat is one portion, definitely it is needed. But beyond that, what is coming for your inner self, that is the ultimate goal of music. And it is very closely related to spirituality. What is, I told you, spirituality is nothing but experience of divinity within yourself. It is beyond the body, mind and soul. It is the level of consciousness, it is your Chaitanya.